Let's draw! First, make outline for inner lips. Fill it with white colour, then use Colour Mix brush to colour the lip. Don't forget to separate the layer. Begin with lighter to darker colour. And then I decided to repaint the edge of the lips. Make a mask layer to the inner lips outline. With the same brush, paint with darker colour to make shadow on teeth. This thing is important. Make gloss on lips to make it more real. Make it perfect with some touch using smudge brush.